We are several weeks into the legislative session, and lawmakers are making some big moves on some legislation. We have team coverage from the State House tonight. Karen Shadowan is standing by with a report on new legislation aimed at traffic stop improvements. But first, we start with Philip Green, who was there as Democratic lawmakers sounded the alarm over what they call a growing healthcare crisis across the state.
Democratic lawmakers say the healthcare crisis in Alabama is showing up in everyday life, from rising insurance costs to the loss of care in rural communities.
Over 350,000 Alabamians have no health insurance, and that number is rising as we speak. On top of that, we have over 25 rural hospitals in danger of permanently closing, and we face a shortage of doctors, nurses, and specialized medical care givers throughout our state.
Lawmakers say fixing the problem will require action from the legislature, and for some, the solution is clear.
The simplest thing is to resolve the problem. Close the coverage gap. In other words, expand Medicaid. That's it's simple. And it's not only will it just keep people afloat, it will bring industry, all the healthcare industry will be back in the state because we'll be reopening our hospitals, people going back to work, and put them back into the economic system of our state.
Republican leaders have pointed to investments in telemedicine, workforce development, and the Alabama Rural Health Transformation Program as steps toward improving access to care. Democratic lawmakers say more action is needed to create a long-term statewide solution.
We passed legislation to increase funding and access for telemedicine. Although we have made small incremental progress onto some of our healthcare issues, we still need to get serious about addressing the underlying problem that we have created in this crisis.
The Rural Health Transformation Advisory Group is set to guide Alabama's $50 billion federal program to improve rural health care. Now, lawmakers say it's a good start, but long-term solutions are still needed. And we've reached out to the Republican leaders for comment, but have not heard back. In Montgomery, Philip Green, Fox 20 News.